What's up, everybody? It's Wade with Watchin. Today we're gonna start something new, I think. So I screwed up, guys. I was doing wheels on Wednesday, having fun with my Hot Wheels and showing some of you guys some Hot Wheels, but apparently I broke the algorithm. So by doing Hot Wheels on the Watch channel, they didn't know where to put the Hot Wheels videos. They're getting no views. They don't know where to put my watch videos. They're getting no views. And it's probably screwing up how you guys are even getting notified. So I'm not going to do Hot Wheels anymore on the channel. I thought it was a cool way to just have a weekly video just to keep the channel bumped up and showing you guys stuff. And yeah, it didn't really work. I made things worse. So I think I'm going to start whatever watch Wednesdays. So instead of doing daily watches like I was in the past, you know, a watch of the day, it was a lot of videos. I think we're going to do a whatever watch Wednesday. It could be an old watch, a blast from the past, or something new I scored on Whatnot or somewhere else, just a cheap, good deal. But these will probably be much shorter, especially if it's an older watch, because you've probably seen them before. And yeah, I don't know. It could be kind of fun to re-look at some of the older watches I've had and how they've held up over the years. So I think we might do a lot of older watches in this Whatever Watch Wednesday. So today we've got a watch that I first interacted with 6+ years ago. I did a full review on the Aquacy Hey Matau Cave Diver. Now, I actually ended up getting one of these 4 years ago from Watchgang on their wheel spin. I had saved up a bunch of wheel spin points and actually got one for free. Now, Aquacy still has some of the cave divers available. However, they do not have this Abalone dial available anymore. And they are all sold out. But man, I have always loved the colors on this one. I love seeing that open heart beating away. It's just a nice, cool watch. The only thing I will say, after 4 years of owning mine, my strap is starting to come apart. Now this one I actually wear quite a bit just because I love how well that looks in the sunshine. It's always a little hard to get on camera, but man, the rainbow colors and the way that dial changes is just so cool. So that's going to be kind of similar to what we do on Whatever Watch Wednesdays. I think is just going to be a quick relook. I mean, the case still looks great. The buckle still looks great, but yeah, the strap starting to come apart a little bit. But other than that, the watch looks great 4 years later. I really can't complain considering I got this one free using wheel spin points from Watchgang. What a cool piece. Now, let me know, do you guys like the open heart? Don't like the open heart? Do you wish it was a full dial of that Abalone, which just looks like awesome gasoline rainbow colors in the sunshine, and even in the shade, it still has a beautiful shine to it. Really cool piece from Aquacy. That's going to be our first Whatever Watch Wednesday. And honestly, a bunch of them might actually be shorter than what this one was, because this was the first one explaining how I screwed everything up. But I think it might be kind of a fun way to look back at some of my older watches and maybe something cheap new that came in from Whatnot or somewhere else. Let me know what you guys think of this one in the comments below. Also, let me know what you think of Whatever Watch Wednesday. And as always, guys, thanks for watching.